Let's fix your iPhone sending messages through your email and not your phone number. Now, if you're on your iPhone sending text messages, but every time you send a message, maybe it uses your email address and not your phone number, or maybe someone else is texting you as an email and not their phone number, that's a setting in your iPhone. I can show you how to turn that off. All we need to do is head into your settings and let's make sure first your phone number is linked to your account. So within here, you need to make sure under emails and phone numbers, you have a phone number on here. If you don't have a phone number, all you need to do is go through the process of adding it. So just enter in that phone number. They might text you a verification code just to confirm you have access to it, and then add it in here. Now, the second step we're going to do is make sure that it's not sending and receiving those texts through an email. It's using that phone number instead. So the next thing that we will do is we'll go out here and we'll go to the settings for your Messages app. So go down until you find the Messages app. And on here, you can see iMessage. This is where you send and receive text messages through your iPhone. They're the blue text message bubbles. Now on send and receive, it usually will just check your phone number. However, if you have your email checked, you can reply as well as start new conversations from, and it has your email address on here. Basically, you're just going to uncheck the email and make sure only that phone number is checked. So let's only select the phone number here on that list. And now when I go into the messages, I can send and receive just using that phone number.